Alright everybody, welcome back. So, we've got some rough edges on some of these blocks, and Drew's over there just running a shovel up and down the side so we can get a nice straight line on some of these blocks. They're struggling, but they do a pretty good job. They're getting used to these blocks and how to work them. They've put enough of them up, so we got them some new levels also this morning. Cecil's got them blue over there, and Abu's got the green one. So these are German made, the other ones are Chinese made, and they're not as good.
And the other one is Sierra Leone made.
Sierra Leone made. That one is definitely crooked.
It's not Sierra Leone made, it's Chinese made.
It's not straight. The Sierra Leonean one's nothing straight. Everything's got a bit of a curve to it.
You don't condemn me.
Mr. Gidek,
Sir? Sir?
I want to call that figure for premier. Add a brand now. Only me got the money done.
Ah, that's easy for you to say.
Easy for me to say.
I like the roll of the tongue that you got going on there, man.
Okay.
That's very
Then I'm
good.
full of business, not depend. Understand?
See what I've got to put up with. See, they're talking this foreign language. Look at this face.
In a sabi me. In a sabi me, in the big dog. You understand?
In English? What does that say? What does that mean?
I am the big dog.
Yeah, roof, roof.
That's it.
He is the big dog. That's the truth. He's actually slimmed out quite nice, actually. He's lost about 25 pounds. Looking good. The house build and the heat here will certainly do it to you, that's for sure. So, always double, triple checking everything, running lines. It's a process, laying bot. They're getting pretty good at it, and they've been doing it for long enough, so. There you go. So we'll pick this up in a little bit when we have more of the window shot. Okay. Oh, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Desmond Manor House. Nice clean water out of the borehole. It's really nice. Filled it up. So I give you sort of a general update on where we are. So we are at 7 high here because we've got the belt down below. Okay, so this wall, I'm going to be doing this wall tomorrow, and I'm going to be taking my time. It's a bit more complicated. I just want these guys to be able to get the rest of this up to the height where it needs to be, and I'm going to leave them off of that side, and I'm going to go ahead and do it. So here's the left hand veranda in the front, sole veranda here. So sorry about the video shot here. I got the sun right in my face here. So we got the window right by the front door. And then the front door itself right here. We got 2 side lights that are going to be going here on the inside, and then a double door. That's really nice. I'll try and put a picture on this video to show you what the front door will actually look like. We've got to stain it, and it'll be actually quite nice when it's done. So there's the other. These are very symmetrical windows in the front. There's one on one side of the door and one on the other. This is the one on the inside of the bedroom. This is the bathroom to this front bedroom over here. So there's the window going up. We're right down the end of the veranda here. We had a little bit of chipping happen when we took these boards off because the boards were getting so warped from getting wet all the time that they're actually warping out, and we had to hammer them in so that we can get this sort of rabbit edge, and we couldn't get them out. Look at how all these nails, these steel nails, we can't even get these out. We've actually got to cut these out. Yeah, so there's a lot of them. Look at how many here that were all, it was so far bent here, but we got it in there. But it was wow, it was a challenge getting it out, that's for sure. It took me an hour and a half to get that off. So this is the shower area in here. So there's no window here, but this is the toilet area and the master bathroom. Okay, so there'll be a nice obscured window in both of these windows. Okay, so they're obscured with actually a quite nice autumn oak leaf sort of obscurity in them. It's pretty cool. They're actually quite nice. So coming around the side of the house. So on this side of the house, this is where the septic is. Okay. This is the master bathroom window. There's a nice big picture window here. Coming around to the master bedroom. And there's two windows, one here and one on the other side. But we need to put the beam up so that you can actually see. Because there's another window around the back of it that butts right up to the corner also. So it looks a bit strange and open there, but when we put the beam up, you'll be able to see the windows. This palm is doing really nice out here. It's going to look nice when it bends out there just a bit and starts spreading out. It's going to look really good. So you can see the way we've been doing this. The red dots. The red dot in the middle is the center of the window, and then the two on the left and the right are the outsides. So we've left about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch on either side of the window just for general fit. We didn't want to make it too snug, and yeah, so that's where we are. So let's go ahead and go up the stairs. You notice I put gravel down here, so you can see that it's up at the right height now, just at the right height. It still needs to be finished off, but we have all the rain coming in here, and I've dug a trench all the way out. And you can see the trench going all the way out. So the water actually flows quite nicely out of here now. So that's all good. We don't want it to go down the other way into those big gullies. So coming up the stairs, so there's the master bedroom, the French doors. This is the stairway that goes all the way up, and we'll go on to the balcony to the front two bedrooms in the front. This is the beginning of the great room area, so there's nice big 6-foot windows here, a set of French doors in the middle, and then another big window to the side. And just above this, on the second floor, because this room is all open, it goes up about 22 feet up to the roof height. And just above it, going up this way, there's going to be windows of this size too. So there's going to be a flood of light in this house. It's not going to be dark and dreary in this house, that's for sure. And there'll be plenty of light. So here's the kitchen window. And, the sink will be just underneath this on the inside. So it'll come up just in there. Yeah. And the kitchen door. So that one opens out this way, out onto the veranda. So we were going to make it open in, but I didn't want to obstruct anything on the way in there. So we're going to have it open. Too bad. This is going to be a pantry area instead of a powder room. So no toilet and sink in here. Miss Hula didn't want to have it either next to the dining room, where we go in through the dining room, or go in through the kitchen into this toilet, around food area or whatever it is. She just didn't want that. So people will have to use the bedroom in the back of the house over there, in that bedroom back there, or go up the stairs and use one of the bathrooms upstairs in the upstairs bedrooms. So that is where we are. Okay, guys will be out here again. It's going to be a Saturday morning tomorrow. You can see how nice and big the veranda is. So when these pillars actually come up here, there's going to be a deck that's going to be 10 feet high as the walls. And we'll be able to enclose this area in with screen to about this area here. So it's a pretty big area. It's a nice big area. We might be able to do a bit more, but you know, this area out in here, this has got up this way, this has got a big arch with a big pitch on it. Yeah, so it's really quite high, difficult and ungangly to actually put screening in, but we'll see how we go. But at least we have some screening. to sit out in because the bugs get a bit crazy here. So that is about it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and leave you with it. There's a picture from the inside. There's the front door, windows. All that area is kitchen in there. Dining room. So this is actually quite a cool room. This room right in here, it's an octagon room, and follows the same sort of general pitch. You know, it's 8 sides, and we've got the pillars down there. I don't know whether you can see those in that. But we're going to be filling those in with boxes, and those are going to come right up to the floor height. And then we'll be able to put the pillars on the inside of the house, because there's 1, there's 2, there's 1 here, there's 1 directly across on either side of the doorway, 3, and the 4th one is right there. Okay, so we're going to have to come back in and just fill those in. I'm going to use the boxes that we did the pillars on the bottom of the verandas with. I'm just going to put 2 of those together and stack them one on top of the other and fill it in, and off we go. So that is about it for us today here, guys. I'm going to leave you with the sun here this afternoon. I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how beautiful and green we're getting here. Okay, and you can see out the side on that picture window, this is actually what we're going to see at the picture window with the mountains in the background. It's going to be really nice, guys. Stay tuned. Follow along with us. We appreciate you being here. Always remember to subscribe, like the videos if you like what you see. Remember to comment. We always love to hear from our subscribers. And yeah, make sure you share them around. Okay, so if you've got friends that are interested in something like this, maybe you're even doing a Seder design type house. It might be different than this one, but maybe they're playing around with maybe doing it either frame or using block. If they're possibly using block, this might be a good opportunity to show them what it would actually look like. So try and share the videos around. Okay, y'all, so we will see you in another video real soon. Take care. Bye for now.